junk on the street here. Feeling no junk on the street today. There's really no place for it because of all this snow. Look at this. This is 3 blizzards worth. Now there's a downed power line right there. That looks good. So look at this. It's insane. It's just piled up right into people's yards. People are stuck. You can't even walk on the sidewalk. A lot of places aren't shoveled or cleared. This place looks like a bobcat or something went through. So let's take a look down this way. All the icicles. Crazy. It's a little warm today, so some of this crap is melting, which is good. Look at this. This is almost as high as me. This comes up to about my shoulder right here. Crazy snow. Look at this. Uh-oh. Looks like I'm gonna be stuck up there. Okay. Gonna have to brave the street. Don't see any cars. Now here comes one. Gotta run. Whoa. Alright. Look at that. Now how's those icicles there? It's insane. And down there looks pretty official. Those people shoveling us out. Great. It's good to see. Hopefully this will all be gone soon.